No, 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 I can't do this. It's not my style. Manager, sorry sir, but nowadays this isn't trend. Public want this. I don't care what public want or not. It's all about me, what I want to give them. And definitely I don't want to give them this. Manager, but sir, no. I already gave you my reply and that's final. You can go now. I have to work on my music. Manager, okay sir, I'm going to tell them your reply. Investor, I heard you declined my offer. Of course I did. Investor, what's your problem, huh? You just have to listen to me. It will be good for both of us. I'm ready to pay you double amount. I won't ready to do this even if you will give me any amount. Investor, what are you proud of? This much arrogance isn't good for your career. I know very well what is good for my career or not. I don't need to learn from you. Investor, do you know who am I? I can destroy your career in seconds. Stood up. Do you know who am I? I'm the Min Yoongi, the self-made artist. You can't do anything to me. Don't know how many people who threaten me like this have come and gone, but Min Yoongi is still standing here. Let me clear your misconception. I didn't go to you to work. You came to me to work with me. Can you see the difference? You gave me the offer and I rejected it in professional way. I have my own rules. If you are okay with that, then it's good. If not, then you can go. About to go. Producer, sir, please have a seat. Let's talk calmly. We will definitely find some solution. Please, I'm requesting you. Yoongi looked at him. That's good. Producer, thank you so much, sir. Yoongi, you seem mature, intelligent person. I like your attitude. Producer, thank you so much, sir. Can you please tell me why don't you want to work with us? We are from very reputed company. Lots of people are ready to do anything just for work with us, and you denied. Till now, whatever artist worked with our company became a huge sensation. If you work with us, then your career will boost too. In this deal, you are in profit as well as us. Yoongi, I have so many reasons to decline your offer. Producer, can you please tell me your objection? Yoongi, sure, why not? First of all, I have the problem like you work. Producer, you have problem the way we work? Means, can you please elaborate your problem? Yoongi, in the name of remake, you destroyed the originality of this song. You ruined the beautiful and meaningful old song just for your benefit, which I hate the most. Producer, remake is in trend. The new youth loves remakes. It's easy and convenient for us. We can make lots of money by just small effort. Yoongi, just for your benefit, you can't ruin our heritage. Our old songs and musics are our pride. I can't let them destroy. Producer, so what do you want from us? Yoongi, I want originality. I don't want to steal any other person's hard work. So if you want to work with me, then you have to come with original song and music, which shouldn't be anyone's copy or remake. Producer, okay, I will think about this. What's your next objection? Yoongi, I have the problem from your singers. Producers, from our singer? But how? They all are very talented and already gave so many hit songs. Yoongi chunkled. Talented? That's not called talent, that's called autotune. Without autotune, your singer can't sing a single line. Producer, so what? Nowadays, everyone use autotune. Yoongi, I have big problem from this. I want my singer who is going to sing my written song don't use autotune. I want he can give live performance without any autotune. Producer, are you serious? Do you know how much difficult task is this to find a singer who can sing without autotune? Yoongi, it's difficult but not impossible. There are so many people who are really talented, but because of your partiality and favoritism, they can't make their career. I want you to give them chance to show their talent. Producer rubbed his forehead. Okay, what's your next objection? Yungi, my third and last objection is I want privacy. Until the song is completely ready, it will not be promoted anywhere. Not even a single pic or lyric can be shared. I want very high professionalism. Producer, technically it's impossible. In social media era, how can we maintain this much privacy? Yungi, we just have to use our mind. Producer wiped his sweats from forehead. Okay, honestly, Mr. Man, I didn't expect this much tough conditions to work with you. You made me in huge trouble. I genuinely wanna work with you. It's like my dream, but now it seems like it will become a dream for forever. Yungi, let me listen your trouble. If you work on original song and music and refuse to copy and remake old songs, then it will good for new generation. You can break the trend of remake and promote original song. You can set the example that talent doesn't need any remake. You can create original things too, just like our previous generation. By saying no to autotune, you can promote good and talented singer. You can provide the stage to them who genuinely deserve this. By keeping privacy, you can create huge buzz. Public will be crazy to know what's new song coming in the far better than your promotion strategy. You will get huge hypes. Producer, you have point, but it will not gonna be as simple as you described. Jungi, you have such a big team to make this possible. If you wanna work with me, then you have to follow my conditions because Min Jungi has his own rule from which he can't be compromised. Looked at the investor. Min Jungi doesn't follow trend follow Min Jungi. Whatever Min Jungi does becomes a trend. Now choice is yours. Wore his black specs and left. Investor, grinding his teeth. Min Jungi, my foot, why is it this much rude and arrogant? Producer, he is like this, but one thing is sure, working with him make our career a huge boost. Let's get back to the work, we don't have much time. Name Min Jungi, age 28 years old, profession music director, rapper, songwriter, and composer. Nature rude, arrogant, never listen to anyone, always stays in attitude, always follows his rules. Man of his words, if he commits anything, then can go at any extent to complete his commitment. Host, ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to our showstopper, Park Jimin, the number one model and pride of our country. Name Park Jimin, age 26 years old, profession model, nature sweet, caring, stylish, professional, emotional, humble, and pure hearted. Arthur's point of view. Jungi admitted in hospital because he drank more and couldn't digest that. He isn't that serious. He is habitual of it. He was walking in the hospital because he was getting bored to lay on the bed by talking on phone. He didn't notice that he came to children ward. He was still on call but saw a person outside of children ward. He was looking very tensed. He went to him and tapped on his shoulder. Jungi tapped on his shoulder. Jimin. Jimin turned around. Yes, froze to see him. Jungi, you here? And in patient dress? What happened to you? Are you alright? What are you doing here? You should be in your ward. Jungi, you still didn't change. You are still a questioning machine. Jimin looked down. I'm sorry. Jungi, it's alright. Can I sit here? Jimin moved a little. Of course you can. Please have a seat. Jungi, what are you doing here in children ward? Jimin, my maid's daughter was sick so I took her here. Jungi, oh, I drank too much alcohol last night which why I'm here. But there is nothing to worry. I will get discharged today. Jimin, you shouldn't drink alcohol like water. Yoongi, how are you? Jimin, I'm fine. Yoongi, I can't believe after 5 years we are meeting and that too in the hospital. Jimin, such a coincidence. Yoongi, so where are you living and what are you doing? Jimin, I'm living in USA. I'm a model. I came here for my modeling project. Yoongi, that's great. Finally you achieved your dream. Jimin, I have to achieve this. By the way, what are you doing? Yoongi, I also achieved my dream. I'm a rapper, songwriter, producer. Jimin, that's great. Music was your passion. Doctor came there. Mr. Park. Jimin stood up. Yes, doctor. Doctor, patient is fine. There is nothing to worry. You can take her home. Jimin, thank you so much, doctor. Doctor left. Yoongi, Jimin, when are you going back? Jimin, I have a flight of tomorrow morning. Yoongi, oh, when will you return back? Jimin, I don't know. I have on international projects. Yoongi, Jimin, Yoongi, give him his mobile. Can I have your number? Jimin smiled. Sure. Give him his number. Yoongi, let's have dinner together. Jimin, are you asking me for out? Yoongi, what if I say yes? Will you deny? Jimin, of course not. When and where? Yoongi, I will message you the address. Jimin, okay. Time skipped at night. Yoongi was waiting for Jimin to join him. He was little nervous. Why? You will be know soon. Jimin arrived there. Yoongi pulled his chair. Please sit. Jimin sat on the chair. Thank you. You already ordered our food. That's good. I'm so hungry. Yoongi, while eating, Jimin, while munching his food, Yoongi, you are looking so beautiful. Jimin shyly smiled. Thank you. Yoongi, how are Oma and Appa? They are still angry on me. Jimin stopped eating. I don't know. Yoongi, confused. You don't know means? Jimin, I hadn't met them since 5 years. Yoongi, what? Jimin, you know, my family is very conservative type. They couldn't digest a divorce. They blame me for a divorce. According to them, it was only my fault. I didn't do anything to save a relationship after divorce. When I went to them, they didn't let me enter in their house and broke all their relation from me. According to them, I'm shameless because I chose modeling as a career. I wanna sell my body. That's why I took divorce from you. I tried to contact with them, but for them I already died. One of my friend helped me and I went to USA. There I started my new life. After that, I never looked behind. Yoongi, feeling guilty. I'm sorry, Jimin. It was my decision. Because of me, you suffered a lot. Jimin, no, I didn't tell you the truth to get sympathy. There is nothing to feel pity. It was both of our decision. We tried to stay together, but it didn't work. It's okay. I never blame you. It's okay to get separate rather than living in toxic relationship. We were forced to marry. At that time, we were very young. We weren't ready for relationship. We have our own dreams which clashed with each other. Our decision was right to take divorce. Yoongi, I tried to urge this, but it didn't work. My family would never let you to become model. In fact, they don't wanna let you to continue your studies. Because of my mom, we started fighting. I know you weren't wrong, dear. Please, you were right, but then also I couldn't do anything. Day by day, things are getting worse between us. I took the decision by thinking a lot. Jimin, I know that you only shared the idea of divorce. It was both of our decision, so stop feeling guilty. See, now we are happy and successful in our life. So Just chill out and enjoy. Yungi, thanks for understanding. Jimin, okay then I have to go. Yungi, hugged him. Your waist became smaller. Jimin, I'm a model, Yungi. Yungi, oh yeah, but don't do dieting. I like your chubby cheeks. Pulled his cheeks. Come, let's have ice cream. You like it, right? Jimin, but my diet schedule doesn't allow it. Yungi, nothing will be happen just by one ice cream. Come, let's go. Jimin, okay. They both were walking on the road while eating ice cream and talking. Suddenly, a cute boy came to them and hugged Yungi tightly. Boy, da. Jimin looked at Yungi. Dada? Yungi looked at him. No, he isn't my son. Except you. Nobody came in my life. Jimin, then why is he calling you Dada? Yungi, how do I know? Jimin, hey kid, he isn't your Dada. Boy looked at him. Oma! Hugged him tightly. Jimin, Oma? I'm not your Oma. Boy, no! Pointed his finger on Jimin. Cookie? Pointed his finger on Jimin. Oma! Pointed his finger on Yungi. Dada! Lady ran to them. I'm extremely sorry. Tried to pull Cookie. Cookie, let's go home, baby. Cook bite her hand. Cookie, Oma, Dada. Again hugged him. Yungi, what's happening here? Can you please tell me who is this boy and why is he calling us as his Oma and Dada? Who are you to this boy? Lady, I am working in child care. This boy saw you two from the window, so he ran here to meet you. I'm so sorry. Can you please come with me to drop him? Actually, he is very stubborn. Don't worry, our building is here. Yungi, okay. They both came to child care building. It was so bright and colorful. Lots of children were there. Some were playing, so some were sleeping. That lady took them in a special room. Now they all are sitting there. Cookie was sitting on Jimin's lap and hugging him tightly. Doctor, Cookie, come to doctor uncle baby. Cook looked at him and turned his face to the side. No. Lady snatched Cookie from Jimin. Cookie, they aren't your Oma and Dada. Let them go. Cook started crying and shouting, No, Oma, Dada, no. He started crying loudly, which Yunmin couldn't see. Jimin again took him in his lap, but now his condition got worse. He got panic attack. Doctor was quick to give him injection. Now he was sleeping in Jimmy's arm. Yungi, doctor, what happened to him? Which injection you gave him? Doctor, he got the panic attack. Jimin shocked. Panic attack? And at this age? Yungi, what exactly happened to him? Where is his parents? Lady, calm down, sir. I'm telling you everything. This boy's name is Cookie. He is 2 years old. His father was a military officer. 3 months ago, he passed out. While serving for the country, her mom couldn't bear this pain and passed away too. Poor boy became orphan. His relatives denied to accept him. So since 3 months, he is staying with us. He missed his parents a lot and he couldn't talk much, but after seeing you two from the window, he ran to you. I think he assumed you two as his parents. After hearing this, Junmin's heart clenched. Yungi, didn't you try for adoption? Lady, actually lots of people try for adoption, but after hearing his health problem, they denied it. Jimin, health problem? What happened to him? Doctor, he got several panic attack which isn't good for his health. His parents' death left huge impact on his little brain, so he needs extra love and care than normal child. But nobody wanna do this much effort. Jimin, without any hesitation, I want to adopt him. Please prepare the papers. Lady, that's good that you want to adopt him. You are doing very nice work. You have to submit your legal documents first. I will check both of your background. If everything will be fine, then you can adopt him in 2-3 days. Jimin, no, you mistaken us. We aren't couple. Only I wanna adopt him, Lady. So sorry. Then you can't adopt him. Jimin, but why? I'm financially independent to raise him alone. I can give him better life. Lady, I understood your point, and I'm not denying that you can't raise him alone. Jimin, then why are you denying me? Lady, you can adopt any other child, but he is special. He is traumatized child. He needs both of parents' love. He needs so much love and care. Jimin, but Yoongi, if we become a couple, then we can adopt him. Lady looked at him. Then we don't have any problem. Jimin looked at him. Yoongi, what are you saying? Yoongi ignored him. Okay, can you please leave us alone? Actually, we wanna talk in alone. Lady, yeah, sure. Doctor and Lady left. Jimin angrily looked at him. Yoongi, what's this? Why did you lie them? Yoongi, I didn't lie. Held his hand. Is anyone in your life whom you love? Jimin, no, I only love you. Yoongi, and I love you. I took divorce for our career and better future. I didn't divorce because of you. You still have same place in my life. Can't we give a relationship a second chance? At the time when we married, you were only 20 and I was only 22. We didn't know the meaning of relationship. We both weren't ready, but still we tried 1 year to live together. Now we are mature, we can take the decision of our life. We aren't forced. If we marry, then it will be our choice. We both will maturely handle the situation. Don't worry about your modeling career. I don't have any problem. You can continue it. I won't force you. Take your time, but think about this proposal. If destiny met us again, then there is definitely some reason. Jimin, but you don't like baby. You told me that you will never wanna have babies. Yoongi scratched his back of the neck. I still don't like them. They are so annoying. But I will accept him because you love babies a lot. Jimin looked at Cookie, who was sleeping while hugging him. I'm ready to give our relationship a second chance. We will marry tomorrow. Then we can legally adopt Cookie. Yoongi, but you have flight tomorrow, right? Jimin, oh yeah, but don't worry, I will do something. Time skipped after a month. Yunmin did court marriage and adopted Cookie. Jimin got modeling project in Korea too. After all, he is #1 model. Both Yunmin got few days off, so they came to Disneyland to spend some family time here. Cookie was so happy and running here and there. Now he doesn't get any panic attack. Yunmin were taking very good care of him. Whenever Yoongi has any work, Jimin took him on his fashion show. Whenever Jimin has any international projects, Yoongi took him in his music studio. Very soon he blended both Yunmin's staff and became their apple of eye. He learned everything, but still he calls Jimin as Oma, not Appa. Yunmin were trying to teach him, but he only calls Jimin as Oma. Right now, Yoongi was holding lots of shopping bags, and Cookie was running and holding balloons, and Jimin was running behind him. They were going on ride. Jimin caught him. Now, where will you go, my little baby? Picked him in his arms and tickled him. Giggles. Oh ma, that's slow. Jimin looked at Yoongi, who was walking like a tortoise. Cookie, your dad is walking like grandpa. Cook shouts, Grandpa, Tata, fast. Yoongi looked at them. I'm so tired, I can't walk anymore. They both came to Disney Studio. There they dressed up Cookie as prince and princess both. Which one? Prince or princess? After that, they both came on flying elephant ride. Cookie was enjoying while laughing and waving his hands to Yunmin, and Yunmin were enjoying his prettiest smile while standing down. Yoongi was recording everything in his video camera, which he specially brought to capture their first family trip. Jimin, while looking at Cookie, in childhood I wrote elephant can fly and my teacher scolded me, but see, here elephant is flying. Yoongi, yeah, my dumb husband. Jimin, I'm not dumb. Are you recording properly now? Don't spoil our first family trip. You don't know how to use camera. Yoongi, I learned it from very famous cameraman. Hobie, now I'm pro. Jimin leaned on him while hugging his arm. Thank you so much for taking us here. Yoongi, thank you so much for giving our relationship a second chance. I promise I will fulfill your and Cookie's all the dreams. Cook looked at them. Cookie, love, Uma, Tata. Yunmin looked at him. We also love our Cookie so much. Sometimes some relationship meet at wrong time, but it doesn't mean that relationship was wrong. It's just that time wasn't appropriate for relationship. When right time comes, then everything becomes good. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. This was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Sometimes relations, persons aren't wrong. It's just they meet at wrong time. If you do right thing at wrong time, then it turned out wrong. Yunmin were divorced couple, but they took it for their better future. Once again, destiny met them, but this time Cookie became the thread to join their heart and make their relationship stronger than ever. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.